at the WeSchool Matunga, India. So today we have taken the participants through analytical skills and creative problem solving, where participants learned about the problem solving process of identifying the problem, secondly generating options, third evaluating the options, and then going through a follow through. And the entire workshop was conducted through various activities, real-time case studies, and sharing real-time experiences and gathering wisdom through collective learning. I thank WeSchool for giving me this opportunity to conduct this workshop.
I am from JL24 batch. So, attending the analytical skills part session where we have learned a lot of skill management portion, like also into brainstorming sessions. It has been a very good session, basically learning about how to create multiple options and how to be very analytical in terms of creating a lot of skills. This is going to help me in my current position and as well as in my current industry, where I would be managing as a leadership role, where I can be solving a lot of issues, a lot of internal like team management and everything. So this is going to be very useful, and probably I would suggest for everyone to attend it.